Hello viewers, how are you? Today we are going to Tara Tarini Temple. So today I will tell detailed information about Tara Tarini Temple. At first you should catch the bus from Berhampure bus stand, then get down at Tara Tarini Square. Then you have to get a auto rickshaw or a private vehicle. Then you have to reach foothill area of Tara Tarini Temple. At first you should buy all the puja samagris from here, otherwise you can't get at the top of the hill. So there are many vendors, they are selling puja samagris here. You will see it. Now we are towards to front gate of Ghat roads. Here also many vendors also there. They are calling to purchase their goods. So many people's visits during the day. Approximately 10,000 or 20,000 people are visiting here. So this is the bus ticket counter. You have to buy a ticket. So there are no private vehicles are allowed to go at the top of the hill. So bus ticket only minimal charges 30 rupees to and fro. Now we reached water facilities, interpretation center, the Mundan Hall. Tarini are erected at this temple. Mata's idols are adorned with gold and silver embellishments as well as precious stones. Two brass heads known as their Chalanti Pratima or living image are placed between them. So it is a rule, photography is strictly prohibited inside the main temple. So we should not take any photograph inside the main temple. I am very sorry to say I am unable to show you the main shrine video. You will see how the workers have done their work with Kalinga architectural design in an exquisite manner. Most of the households in southern Odisha have Mother Tara and Tarini as their presiding deity. The shrine of the twin goddess atop the Puranagiri hill is known as one of the four Shakti Pithas of the country. According to legend, the breast of Sati fell here, hence the shape of the idols. Since its inception, it has been established seat of Tantrism. Among us, the devotees of the temple were the followers of Mahayana sect of Buddhism, who follow the same Tantra ritual as the Hindus. An interesting aspect of this revered shrine is fact that unlike other temples, it wasn't built under the patronage of a king or a noble. The temple was set up by a Brahmin named Basu Praharaj as per popular legend. Basu Praharaj was a great devotee of Shakti. One night, the goddess appeared in his dreams and blessed him to be the father of twin daughters. He reared his daughters with utmost care and devotion. However, when he came, all the daughters vanished all of a sudden. Again, the goddess appeared in his dreams, this time instructing him to build a temple atop the Puranagiri hill, now Kumari hill, to which he duly obliged. The temple, located at 708 feet above sea level, can be approached by three ways. One is to take motorable road, second is the ropeway, and the third is climbing 999 steps. The steps were built by Sri Siti Ramaya, a trader from Berhampure. He was blessed with a daughter soon afterwards. If you have been to the temple, you can't help but admire at the beauty of the Ganjam Sea, the panoramic view of the temple offers, with the river Rushikulya meandering through the plains, lush green paddy fields, forest, and the Eastern Ghat mountain ranges. Here also a Prasad Sevan counter is there. You can purchase Tara Tarini Prasad with minimal charges. Laddus, gajas and balabals are available in this counter. Festivals. The four fairs held every Tuesday in the month of Chaitra, means mid-session of March and April, sees lakhs of devotees coming to pay their respect to the goddess. Another festival is Mahavishwa Sankranti, is another major festival observed by the temple authority in the month of April. As you can see, the bird's eye view of Rushikulya river and Purushottamapur village adjacent to the river. It is also a very beautiful scenery. You can enjoy it from the top of the hill. Women and men are coming from nearby village to sell their food items as like peanuts, groundnuts, green matter fry, cucumber and other things. One of the interesting food item is you can get exchange of only 10 rupees full glass of buttermilk with good smells. Here you can see many monkeys also there, but beware of monkeys. Do not go too near to the monkeys. If you want to offering some foods to the monkeys, for returns you can give them. Sometimes monkeys are very harshly attacking to the people. At last, if you have satisfied with this video, kindly subscribe, share, like and give your comments in YouTube comment sections. Thank you so much for watching this video.